just take one single part, that is job. From our birth we are studying, we are doing everything so we can somehow get job. So many people, I'm not talking if you have a kind of a passion about the business, but starting we still need job. I mean, even our teacher, our parent, they all have taught us go and get a job, whether it's a government or private. I'm not talking about that. And you know the ratio of the government job is very very few. 40 lakh people are filling the form, getting how many? 4,000, 5,000, 6,000. What about other lakhs of people? So we all are running for a job, but few of them, they are starting their career in the digital media. I mean, they are learning something. Definitely, it's not a kind of a piece of cake that one day they have thought and next they have become entrepreneur. It had happened with only few people who are abusing on the internet like that, and it's very easy to get promoted such kind of videos. But at the same time, so many good people who are giving you a good knowledge, and along with that they're also helping you a lot. Just take a simple example like a tech startup, like uh, in in which I have started working, like Byju's, or there are also an academy. In this lockdown they have grown like a boom. I mean, never ever happened in any institution. So many institutions have, they have a lot of money, but if you will talk about in this lockdown era, all the uh, startup, tech startup who have opt this internet thing, they have grown a lot. And if you will talk about the offline, they have suffered. So many institutes got closed, totally closed, and only those institutes are surviving which have shifted their physical thing or just offline thing to the online. They are only surviving. I mean, even I have seen to few teachers, few of them have totally closed. Most of them, they are working, but how? They have created a YouTube channel, they have created their own application, they are teaching there, and this is the only way. And now you can see, even nowadays it is still locked down. We can't say totally, but yeah, it is still, there are chances that you can get affected. So still everything is going online. And basically after this lockdown, we have never, I mean, if you will talk about me personally, I have never know about these kind of Zoom sessions, and that we are doing right now. Even that, if you will talk about your teachers, your school teachers, our younger kids teachers, they have never thought like, oh, I will take Zoom session, I will teach a student online. Even the parent, they have never thought I have to force my child to just sit in front of the camera or just screen and use these digital things to learn, right? So I think, no doubt, in coming era, everything is going to digitalized. Whether we accept or not, whatever we have a lot of money or we don't have any money, we are doing job or not doing job. I think somehow we have to increase our efficiency and also the knowledge about it. At least we can start getting some information how it is working. That will be benefit for everyone. Okay, this is all from my side. uh, Now anyone can. Okay, Kavita, now you can keep your perspective about the digital media.
Yes, sir. In this era, everything is going digital.
Kavita,
Hello, I am audible.
yeah, you're audible. Just wait.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah, Kavita, you're audible. Guys, if you can open your camera, please open your camera. I mean, if you don't have any other issue, okay? Yeah, Kavita, go ahead.
Uh, yes, sir. Sir, we are seeing that everything is going digital, and the word digital is coming as a as subject as today's topic is importance of digital world. So, digital world is going from many years ago, but nowadays we can see it's important in many fields because during COVID-19 it is playing very important role, and in this time everything is going digitalized. If we see like studies and like we order something from anywhere, and if we see both in government and private institution, organization, and offices all are going digitalized,
Mhm.
and they are doing their work very well, and everything is going digitalized. In We can see that digital signature, digital currency, everything is now digitalized, and this time it is playing a very important role, because the COVID-19 is going on, uh, and it affects all sectors like education, businesses, and jobs. So people are taking benefit from this uh, digital things, and they are doing their job from home. Like work from home culture is growing, and students are taking education safely in their home, and many other works are going digital. And we also know that our PM also uh, initialized a scheme Digital India. So it also help in decreasing corruptions,
Mhm.
uh, and many other fields is help. That's all from my side.
Okay. All right. Now, let me see. Sunil, Venkatesh, Monty, Kavita, am I audible or not?
Yeah, Dhruv,
Yeah.
am I audible?
Yeah, yeah, you are audible. Go ahead.
Yeah, so you,
Yeah.
I think Monty is not here.
Yeah, Monty, go ahead.
So can I start?
You can, you can. Of course.
So in my point of views, I think today we are talking about the digitalization.
Yeah.
So now you had mentioned the few points like the today the in the lockdown, it a very increased point in the digitalization nowadays and in the education part also. So I'm gonna just mention to some of the points that I realized that first of all, now you can think that some of the kids nowadays were choosing the BTech, and
Mhm.
maximum of the kids were choosing the BTech because nowadays there were I think the ratio is very less to of the engineers that were can gaining a good colleges. Unfortunately, then also they were choosing the non-med stream so that they can get in the these kind of technologies because nowadays the kids have the interest in these fields because if we have the knowledge of any digitalization, so we can do anything. That means that either we can start our own business as sitting at home. We don't require any government job if we have the kind of knowledge that this field requires. And this is a very broad field, and in which you can do anything. You can easily earn money while sitting at home. So you can either teach at, and there are so many technologies were coming in this era. So if you want to utilize your time, or so you can do that. And in this lockdown, um, the education part is increased a very lot, and some of the channels that Drew had mentioned, the An Academy, they gain very good subscribers. So and many of the students who cleared the different exams, they started opening their YouTube channels in which they were teaching the strategy or tactics by which they cleared the some of few of the exams, and many of the subscribers in were increasing of them. So that means so we don't require anything that like we require some kind of information or we require some kind of technology. By this we can, I think, earn money, either you opening a YouTube channel, or we also do the digital marketing. And even on the nowadays we can share our amount on the stock, do stock marketing. So I think the digital market is a very huge field, and in which if one can utilize the money so he can earn it. There is a very 50-50 ratio in that field, and that's all, Dhruv.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Datta?
Hello, hello.
Yeah,
Am I okay? Are you people hearing me?
yeah. Every people can listen you. Go ahead.
Yes, yes. Yeah. Okay. The topic is about digital, right? Yeah. Okay. Okay. According to me, nowadays everything is become digital, and everything we are doing digital. Even though we talking through this digital only, and Dhruv and the Kavita and Sunil or someone, they are mentioned so very well that Dhruv and Kavita, you people mentioned about COVID-19. Even if you want any information about the virus, there is again there is an application called Arogya Setu. Again, that is on digital. So if you
Mm-hmm.
want a cure or information, again you can get all the information through I mean that application only. And yeah, Kavita has mentioned about the PM. Okay, during the lockdown, even our prime minister also worked from his own office. Again, that is digital. uh, Most of you already mentioned about YouTube. Even I am also hoping to start my own YouTube channel very soon. I don't know when it's going to happen, but I'm very exciting to start my own YouTube channel. Maybe in future, because I'm just planning and just finding some information and what exactly it requires.
What are you waiting for?
Uh, no, because I there are some, I need something more information, bro. So that's why. Yeah. So yeah. So that's why. And by using the digital market you can do so many things. There are many things available nowadays. For example, digital marketing. In that digital marketing only, there are Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, email marketing, and another thing is affiliate marketing, and which is very new. We haven't known it, right? So nowadays everything is becoming online. People are also making money through the online. Even there are many website also helping to the people to earn more money. And before, I mean, if we talk about 2 decades ago, we were just hearing the news, but nowadays we have that technology to edit the videos and put it into social media. And so like this, there are many opportunities for us nowadays. uh, yeah, and of course people are also educating the people, and again entertaining. Also they are also entertaining. This is all from my side, bro. If I get many, even if I get anything new, then I'll again tap on the speak. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Sunil.
Yeah, though. So everybody here talking about the digital world. So I would say digital world is it's a blessing and curse at the same time. So that means there is a huge benefit, but at the same time we get a lot of I mean the bad things at these things. So yeah, no doubt, digital world's approach is beyond the limit. Compare if we compare to the physical world, where we can't go through physically, we can within the second and just press the thumb, we can go there and watch and see the things and can feel. So yeah, it's no doubt it's beyond the physical world's limit, but there is a lot of advantage and disadvantage. And first of all, if we see the advantage, there's a huge advantage. Right now we are talking just because of the technology. We are using a smartphone. I think no need to describe all these things. So there is a huge benefits, and especially in this situation, in this pandemic, or in this in such tough situation, it's a blessing. It's a blessing that we can communicate, we can educate ourselves, we can sell our product, and even we can buy, and we can offer many service through just for because of the technology. But guys, if you any of you, if you really ever searched anything about the digitalization or digital world, then maybe you heard many you know, I mean, the beetle things about the digital worlds. And there is a lot of, theories and research even. I don't believe in the just theory or hypothetical things. But if you, I think many of you are a science students, so you believe in the research or the data. If you really believe in the research or data, then you will get, lot of the mind-blowing, I mean, the things that you will amaze that how digitalization and the companies and the social websites like the Twitter, YouTube, or Facebook, Instagram, uh, such LinkedIn, and many, there is an endless list. So how they really control our lives, then you will soak. Coincidentally, last night I watched a series, Netflix series, that was about the digital dementia. I think you heard about this, and if you didn't hear, then you can go and check about this. What is the digital dementia? I think this was originated, I think, back then 2 or 3 decades. So there is a German scientist who describes very well with the other professors, other experts. I mean, describes and made a report that is now available on internet. So there is a lot of books about this. The scientist's name is Manfred Stiefger. He's a German scientist. So you will show if you really see his report that how the technology really affecting us. And if you really want to see in a simple way, then you can go in Netflix and you can check the series, the web series. That's name is Digital Dementia. And if you guys, I challenge you, I bet you, if you really see that series, the series is, I think, barely 1.5 hours long enough. So it will take 1.5 hour, and you will see that thing really blow your mind, blow your mind. You really shocked. What the bloody happening in this market? What's the wrong? You will show your foundation, your existence will go in the crisis suddenly. How these things affecting me? This is not my word. This is not hypothetical. This is based on truth. And yeah, so I'm not only talking about the disadvantage. Yeah, there is an advantage, lot of advantage. But guys, if you really see, if you go in the medical science, if there is a drug, any drug come, like for example, the corona, if any drug come right now, any scientist, develop the drug to cure the corona, then maybe we should check the disadvantage and the, harmful impact, that how it really cured the corona, but what about the problems the citizens will face in upcoming years, and how can this affect whole generation? So if you see the such aspect of the digital environment or digital world, then you will shock. And yeah, that's the thing I wanted to say. They are really know about us. Digital companies, they like Google, Microsoft, and other, Gmail. You will shocked if you really read the report and you know about them, their scientists, what they're really working. So you can simply go on YouTube and check report. The former workers, they worked in the Google, Facebook, or Twitter, such companies. They were developer, they were scientists, they were market experts. So if you see their experience, if you hear their experience, then you will shock that how they are, like how they are using poor people's, innocent people's data. And there is a classic quote in the digital market, that the quote is, I wanna repeat that quotation, that is, if anything you are using digitally and you are thinking that this is a free, then one thing keep in mind, that you are the product. If right now we are thinking that we are using Zoom free and we are no need to pay anything other than data charge, then guys, you are wrong. You are doing big mistake. There is nothing free in the digital market. They are, in a hidden way, in the hidden way, they are, stealing your data, and they can sell their data to the advertising companies, and they can earn billions of billions. So this is the favorite quote of the scientists, that if you are anything getting free on digital, then you are the product, nothing else, because you are not paying anything. So yeah, I will not consume much time. Dhruv, over to you.
Yeah, okay, all right. I totally agree with you. It happens when it comes to all the data, and also we don't need to think like we are totally using it free of cost. But don't you think just because of
No.
this boom, so many coaching institute they still are living? I mean, they have just somehow they have grown. Otherwise, if there were no Zoom, there were no Google Meet, how they would have uh, taught their kids, taught their students. From them, they have taken a lot of money. And also, just because of this Zoom session, so many people are taking online classes. 1,000 people, 100 people, 200 people, they are making money. So why it is wrong? I mean, then I don't think it is wrong. No doubt, so many other companies. You can't blame directly Google, all these companies, just because it is it is they have given everything. Sorry, guys. Actually, I'm getting a call. Okay, so just wait, just wait.
Okay.
Okay, so what I was telling, we can't blame directly, but yeah, there are so many other things that definitely they use your data. That's why you are getting call and call. I mean, nowadays definitely it's not difficult to get any people's number. Definitely your number is somewhere. Definitely your number will be on internet somewhere. That's why so many people can call you at any time. But I think it's our own awareness that how we have to reply to them, especially when it comes about your account, your money, and everything, the income that you have. But if we are talking the positive point, there are so many advantages of just because of this digital era. Now, no doubt there are so many things going on because of it. So many people are suffering. But don't you think even if you have a single problem, you can raise your voice, and now billions of yeah, definitely billions of people are ready to listen you. It have never possible. It never ever had possible in ancient era. Something is going on
Yeah.
Pakistan, and some conflict is going on between India and China. Now other countries in a support of you. Just take an example of COVID-19. I mean, somehow no doubt we have a lot of cases. I'm not denying that fact, but still we have managed. It was only possible just because of this, digital era. Every people knew. Then they have uh, given the news, like our prime minister, they have announced, but it was not possible in like 1920 or just before that. There were already such kind of pandemic, and so many people died, right? So I think it depends on, again, on people to people. What we are doing, it's all up to us. And just because so many people are making money, they are using it in right with it. Not only money, but also they are getting so many information, and that we all are doing. Like we are taking the help of YouTube, we are taking the help of other platforms, so we can learn our English language. That's why I think in this part we have to appreciate, and whatever we can do from our side, that okay, I'm not going to cheat other people, I'm not going to misuse these data and these online things. It is sufficient for us, I think. But whether you accept or not, whether you use or not, whether you are aware of it or not, it's not gonna stop, at least in coming. Just take a simple example like Sadhguru, and also there are so many other monks. They have
Yes.
started
Yes.
using all these internet, they have all these services, just because they know now it is possible that they are speaking something one line that can change the entire world life, and they are just connecting through these YouTube and all those things, and it was never ever possible. There were so many powerful people like Swami Vivekananda, and there were not only one Swami Vivekananda, so many, but we don't know any of them. But now it's not like that.
Yes.
If any one single people out there, which we definitely kind of superhuman, but yeah, if they are might better than us, or normal people, we can take the knowledge from them. We can learn at our pace. And it is also good for poor people. They were always bragging, I mean, complaining about, what can I do? But now I think so many people, they have a single mobile phone with data, and that is enough to get knowledge, that is enough,
Now they have the option, I think.
yeah, that they can use.
I think now they have the option. Yeah, even the farmers also, I think they can check out their crops price on the internet. They don't have to go to the market even.
Yeah, so Sunil, do you want to make any point about?
And yeah,
Yeah, Dhruv, I first of all, I want to generalize things. If there is a problem, if there is a disease, then I would not say, no, there is a benefits, there is a profits. We should, distinguish these things, that there is a problem, there is a true report, and there is a a research already done over this, then I think I will not use my mind, because the many research already proven. So I will not defend that. Yeah, there is a no disadvantage. I would say there is a huge disadvantage. And if you remember, then very first when I started my speaking, I said
Okay.
digital era, digital world is blessing and curse at the same time.
Let me
So
ask you a question that, bro, it is detrimental for you. I mean, have you get any kind of disadvantage with this technology? Do you have ever harmed by these technologies, or you got cheated or anything?
no, it's not a my question, Drew. It's not a my question, dude. It's a question of upcoming generations, and what they have potential to hijack a superpowers country's election.
There are so many disadvantages. So also, if we are talking a normal,
Bro, my friend faced a disadvantage by digital, bro.
Drew, and if you see really, if you Drew ask personally, if you Drew personally ask me what's the disadvantage and what's the problems I'm getting from the, then really it's really decrease our concentration. First of all, it's really affect our health and it's decrease our concentrations. If anything, that is already proven.
okay, how can you say that? There are so
But
many.
this time it is helping us now. In this pandemic, we are seeing
Okay,
it's
okay, guys. I don't want to argue, but just listen my one example. A simple example. That is, if you really get a 1 rupees pill just for your headache. If you feel just buy a pill from a chemist, and you think that 1 rupees pill will cure my headache, and I will feel good. But what about the upcoming month? If this thing really affect your kidney, if really this affect your cholesterol, then what about the disadvantage? You are getting relief in instantly just because of one pill. You are curing your headache. But what about the other health crisis that you will face in the upcoming years and month?
Which kind
What
of?
about that?
No, you can go gym, you can do exercise 1 hour. That is more than enough for your good body, for a good concentration. Half an hour meditation, that is enough for you. Why are you taking like, if I'm using technology, then I'm losing my you can go for gym. You can lose
should aware that how to use it.
yeah. I mean,
Yeah, it totally depends on the people.
okay,
And
we will take
I think
there are the so many open
friends,
market is there on the digital.
we will
You can
take
take an example of the
let us
pornography. That is a very huge
we have only 5
market
minutes.
on the internet, and then
okay.
also I think many
Guys,
of the people were
guys,
watching
this
it.
is the main problem, that we are not accepting the research, the scientific study that is already done by the experts.
Okay,
That's
tomorrow.
the problem. That
Sunil,
Okay. Friends, let us accept the Sunil's points, and let's find some solution for it.
exactly. Okay, so tomorrow, not today. We don't have enough time for today. Okay, tomorrow we will take the same topic, and then
no,
Better
guys,
it's
no,
better
guys.
to go for a solution rather than discussion.
We are accepting Sunil's points, but we should use these
No,
things.
no, guys. I'm not doing this thing to please and to be show my knowledge. I'm not doing. I'm just saying just for the sake of research that is already done. And I bet you all go internet and check about the digital dementia. You will get all the things. You will not argue about these things.
yeah, same.
But we cannot do anything because it is also nowadays it is also part of life. So we can use it
Tomorrow we will-
carefully.
We
What
have,
we can do.
Yeah, yes, I agree with Kavita.
we have
I think
definitely
it is totally depends on the user only.
I think
Because
also
I want to share one thing.
Corona
I
depend
want
on
to share one
user.
thing.
Guys, Corona depend on any user. Corona depend, the pandemic, such bloody pandemic depend on any user. We can control it. Do you think, guys?
Yeah, we can
Do you
control
think?
it by
No.
social distancing and
Yeah, we can control by making awareness,
Then
making
why?
awareness in social media.
Then why it
awareness
is spreading day by day? Then why spreading is day by day? If you are able to control, then
increasing day by day.
Because people are not having good habits, bro. So
no, dude. People have not that
yeah,
much
if
mind to control things. We are not that much
no,
capable.
see, yeah, it's only very simple thing that we should all keep our what to say, or
Saying is easy, guys. Saying is
hello.
easy. Following is very hard. Saying is easy. Preaching is easy. In a sitting room, I can preach all the day. But following things is
Yeah.
really difficult.
Okay.
That's why it's spreading day
Yeah,
by day.
maybe in the initial, maybe in the beginning it looks very hard, but gradually we can make it very easy.
You know, countries like the superpower UK, USA, they are still fighting and people dying day by day. Thousands people dying every day. They have world class facility of healthcare, but still people dying.
At
So
least
guys, it's not about the people.
Sometimes we have to welcome, bro, because maybe it is not good for human beings, but it is good for environment because we already have a huge population. So,
Yeah, guys. Yeah.
so our nature no need any human beings.
Yeah.
okay, Venkatesh, now you can bro speak. We don't have enough time, but whatever you want to speak, we will take tomorrow this topic again. Then we can.
Yeah, okay, bro, no problem.
Okay, Sunil, that
It's going very hard, I think.
make more point. Yeah, go ahead, Venkatesh.
Yeah,
You
bro.
found it very hot topic.
Yeah, yes, bro. It's very hot topic. And I want to
Hot
share one
topic?
thing.
What do you mean by hot
that
topic?
is, I mean, hot topic means it's.
Sparking.
The
You mean the
topic
sparking?
which
Yeah,
makes
yeah. It's
no,
sparking.
the
It's
topic
sparking.
which
No, dude.
yeah,
If you
the
really not
topic which
accept the
makes
fact, if you really not accept the fact, then there is a issue. I'm not saying there is a fact
Yeah, you are
already
saying correct,
proven.
bro. There is a lot of benefits. At the same time,
No one
there is a lot of
is
big
denying your points, Sunil.
disadvantages
I think no
also.
one is
My
denying
friend,
your points. They are correct.
Yeah, guys.
yeah,
That's
want
why
to
I initially, very first of my speaking, I said that this is a blessing and this is a curse. This is blessing and curse at the same time. Benefit
Everything,
and the
everything that what
disadvantage.
we see the ratio. We see the ratio. Like bike has
Then ratio is it's
more
really
than
affecting us
50%.
in a bad way.
More than
If
50%.
you see the ratio, then it's
So,
affecting in a bad way.
Sunil, you are telling this impact, or you can say disadvantage, is more than 50% than advantage, right? Of this.
Yeah.
Okay,
yeah, no,
tomorrow I
yeah,
want.
correct, bro. I accept Sunil, bro.
Okay, tomorrow I want you to
Arre.
also send something in.
No need to accept me, guys. No need to listen my go on internet and check by yourself. Go on
Yeah,
internet
bro.
and check.
Yeah. There is a lot of hackers, so you should not give assurance. You are being separate, because there is a lot of hackers. So they can easily watching you. So you don't have a privacy.
Bro, like
Yeah.
Sunil,
So
Yeah.
I want to share one thing. My friend also faced one big problem by digital. So some hackers theft them. My friend private private things. So they demand him. I want lakhs of money. So there is a big problem. That is big problem. So we have to use the digital device safely.
Yeah.
comes under precautions, right? Okay, we have just few seconds, but tomorrow we will have to discuss again on this topic. And it's not about the harm,
Yeah,
Yeah.
and just because it's a
it's a sparking topic, brother.
yeah, it's an informative topic that we need to discuss more and more, so we can at least have some
Yeah.
more grasp.
Dhruv, coincidentally, I yesterday watched the series. I told you the Netflix series, and earlier I also read the many research and many research by the experts.
That's
So I already made many times these points that it can at